Morning. I don't know if they're actually recorded, but good morning. Let's do a morning analysis together. It's Monday morning. It's market open. Yay! Gonna try not to get too excited. Okay. I feel like I want to start here. I want to show you guys this because I showed you this on I think Friday because I was playing around with Ethereum because not live trading, just forward testing. I was playing around with it and I made this position up and then it looks like it's reversing, but it's totally fine. I actually I put another position on and that one hit TP. So it shows that like it's really respecting the strategy, and if it doesn't play out, it's really just because it's reversing. And if you look at this one here, I guess maybe a giveaway could have been the fact that it did form higher lows here, but it did break into lower highs. I think I got this right, to be honest, but I did close 50% out at a 1-to-1 because that's my risk management strategy, so it's risk free, and ended up going all the way to a 1-to-2, but I was targeting down here. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that because transparency. Loom is being annoying. I apologize. It just cut out. If anyone's familiar with my last videos, you know that Loom has been doing this to me. It's so annoying. If anyone knows why, please leave a comment because I literally have no idea why. Anyway, but yeah, that was Ethereum. I'm still gonna just keep like forward testing and playing around. I'm not gonna take it as seriously as I did Nasdaq, just for the moment because I'm not looking at adding another live trading instrument into my watch list, or I don't know, trading. But yeah, I'm playing around with it and it's super fun because I get a lot of entries, but again, I'm not gonna be live trading it for a minute. But it looks pretty good, and to be fair, to have a position here over the weekend is so fun. And it looks like it's done a head and shoulders right here, so it looks like it's reversing. So I'm gonna put on that here. I'm gonna put on that here, and we'll see what happens. So if it goes like this, I'll take a trade there. Or if it goes like this, I'll take a trade there. But anyway, let's do gold. So I'm looking at gold on the 1 hour and it's looking pretty good. I'll give you my 1 hour perspective first because I think this is the only place where there's a good trade setup. I think the wicks is really ruining market structure here because we have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a higher low. No, wait. A lower... Wait, I messed that up. We have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a higher low, lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a higher low, a lower high, a higher low, a lower high, a lower low. So yeah, the market structure is just really like messing me up with the wicks. But if we look at it from an overall perspective, we can see that there's a high here, there's a lower low been made, it's broken the high, it's formed a higher low with this reaction candle, and we had multiple reaction candles to the downside here, and it looks like it could be pushing up. So it's made an indication and it's corrected and it's potentially made a continuation. I don't know if I'm going to take it because it's an Asia session, but we'll see. If you look on the 4 hour, it actually looks like it needs to go lower, but I don't know. I can't really determine that. Like unless price like literally shows me and it starts heading back down, but we've got an indication, not an indication, high, a low, I don't even know what I'm saying at this point, but it looks like it's gone low and then it was pushed up higher, it's corrected, and it looks like it wants to push up a little bit higher. It looks like it potentially could push higher, so I want to see if it breaks these highs here. So I'm going to set an alert at this high. I'm going to, should I get rid of this box? I don't know why it's there. I don't know this one. I guess we saw a low being made here, an indication, correction, continuation. So we have a indication, correction, continuation on the 4 hour here because you can see that price has broken out of here, closed below and made an indication, correction, and then it could be continuing. So maybe to be safe, we're better off waiting for this high to be broken because price could, I guess because we'll get the lower high here, we can push it up. I think gold is bullish overall because look, it's a higher low overall. So I think it's bullish, but yeah, we'll just have to see what happens. So I think this is where I had my position at before, actually, that I just deleted. But anyway, you can see there was a high broken here, or I think better, yeah, let's use this high here, because that looks like internal structure to push higher. So I think this high is the most best suited, because this high is the one that pushed down to make that lower low. And yeah, that can be an indication, correction, continuation. So I'm going to bring one alert down here, and then another alert would be up here. So I'm either going to take a continuation above this level here, or I'm going to wait for price to make a new indication up here, correction, and a continuation. This would be the safest setup, the one up here, but this one also could look good depending on what time happens during the day. You know, if it happens Asia session, maybe I might take it, I might not. But because I think it's a new week, I don't know if taking a position in Asia session is the best until we see what the sentiment, or like what really New York does, because I'm not sure what happened over the week news-wise. I'll be listening to my podcast throughout the day to figure it out. But yeah, so we'll go, it's bullish above, oh, what was this one? This one down here, that was where the indication was for the downside. Bearish below, and I feel like I want to change the color of this one because it's not matching my color coding, and that is important, whether you believe it or not. But yeah, that's my idea right now. I guess if price continues to push down this way, I could potentially think of taking sells, but I would be really reluctant to, because we have had a higher high form and I have broken. But yeah, I'll leave that alert there. So these are the new indication alert levels. These are the continuation levels. And this is when price breaks out of that overall range. I'm gonna go and say we're gonna jump to the 4 hour to write this. Bullish above, because there's sellers sitting at this level. But then if we want to buy, we can buy into the sellers, which will be good. And then this one will be bearish below. Then I'm just going to move it here so we can see what it was based off of. Okay, cool. So that's gold. I feel pretty good about that. Not too stressed out, which is good, because sometimes I can stress myself out. That's like looking beautiful as always. It looks so good. It just looks so good. Like, I'm sorry. I know that side literally said that Nasdaq is choppy. I'm assuming that he's talking about this. But like, what? This is like beautiful price action compared to gold. Gold's the one that's like looking messy. But maybe I'm thinking of the wrong thing, because this looks clean. You even got the head and shoulders up here, like, it looks clean. It looks so good. I'm really loving Nasdaq, but it has gapped up, which is interesting, because it means there was strong buying over the weekend, I think. Don't hold me to that, because I'm not actually 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that's what it means. That makes sense, though, because I kind of did want to see this area. Oh, wait. Oh, my God. I apologize, guys. Okay, I did want to see this area filled right here, so I'm not... Oh, there's my alarm. I'm not too mad that it's going back up, because, yeah, this is a whole lot of space here. So I would not be mad if price came up to fill this area and then continue down. So I'm literally just going to have my continuation level right here. I want to take a sell from here. And that's literally it. So what are we going to write here? We'll write bearish below. Hello. Let me go into the 4 hour. Oh, wait, no, I already got it. Cool. We're literally set with this. Like, I actually don't need to do anything, which is so good. I don't know what was going on when I was placing those on there. Why did no one correct me? That really surprises me. But yeah, that's better. This is why I need my color coding. Okay. I think I'm happy with that. Okay, and that's literally it. Don't need to look at anything else. Let's go to my day view. Let's start the day. Oh, and like be smiling throughout the day randomly, like thinking. Oh, I just stopped recording. I'm gonna be like smiling throughout the day thinking about Ethereum. It just looks so good right now. Give me 1 second while TradeZilla loads. Ooh, TradeZilla has loaded. Let's start the day. It's a Monday. Hopefully we get some good price action. Pre-market analysis. How much time do I have? It's like 15 minutes. So good. I left actually like a good amount of time for today's morning analysis rather than rushing. So my bias is bullish. Key levels is the indication level, the high, the bearish indication level, and the low. News events is none. I'm pretty sure I checked that over the weekend while I was doing my weekly analysis. You can see it is literally set to Friday. Yeah, no news. Cool. Market conditions, hopefully they're trendy. My bias today is buys. Continuation to the upside. If it breaks lows or does continuation in London. The reason why I say that is because I've seen a lot of the times when price wants to do a continuation and it does it in London, it'll do it in London and then fake out and just not be a good move. And then come New York open, it'll redo the same move, which is just crazy. It'll basically redo the same move and yeah, so I just rather take it in New York. But that doesn't mean it happens every single time. But I just don't like trading. I don't like trading London. 1% risk. 1 trade a day. Okay, NASDAQ. High time frame bias is bearish. Continuation, level, and bullish above. News events, none. I'm hoping it's going to be trendy. My bias today is sells. Setups I'm waiting for continuation to the downside. Invalidation if price breaks highs. Max risk will be demo, unfortunately. Demo. How am I feeling? I'm feeling good. Feeling chill but alert. Rules to remind myself, market will always present opportunities. Okay, cool. I'm feeling really, really good about that. I feel really, really happy. I hope you guys have an amazing day, an amazing trading day, and also an amazing day and starts your week. Hopefully we finish the day with a green day. I will let you guys know how my trading day goes later today, if not tomorrow, probably tomorrow when market is actually sharp. But yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day and I will speak to you very, very soon. Bye.